Hiro-san, how are you?
Hi, good afternoon and Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year to you. What a fantastic 2019 that we had. Want to thank each and every one of you for being here. Here we took some amazing trips, twice to Cuba, once to Japan, hometown, of course California for the collabs we did with some great YouTubers.
Yeah.
Can't wait for 2020.
I think the Japan trip was most amazing.
Oh,
for you.
so good. And I hope we can go back this year sometime. Oh, Hiro-san, this is a very requested video. Many people asked you to do your version. What are we doing today, Hiro?
We're gonna make omurice.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell us about the dish. And what
Yes,
was in it.
omurice. Of course, main thing is egg.
Okay.
It's looks like what can I say? It's combination with the fried rice and omelets kind of stuff. So you can see the picture of the house shape. Some people making like a kind of triangle shape like this. But of course, each restaurant, each chef has a different recipe. The way they cook it is really different too.
Okay.
So, but most of people do first fried rice with chicken and onion or mushroom and the salt and pepper and using ketchup. Some people use a ketchup and some people use a demi-glaze sauce. Right? So first you make the fried rice, and then most of the times I see the triangle shape with they have a kind of special tool to make the shape, to make a triangle shape.
Yeah.
But I couldn't find it this time, so I'm going to use this mold, the kind of square shape. I tried to make it a triangle anyway.
Yeah.
So I'm going to use this one instead of the triangle.
Okay.
Right? So then the egg parts. One recipe they're making a round shape of the fried egg.
Okay.
And then after you set up onto the rice, right?
Yeah.
Or some people just try to making holding, right? Wrapping with the egg. And another one is making like omelets, very soft one.
Okay.
And then set up on here, then you just cut into the center, everything coming down. So anyway, so many different ways they're making to omurice. So today I going to try to make this one.
Okay. That's what everybody wants to see, including me.
And this is the first time I make this one anyway.
Okay.
Hopefully.
Let's do it. Now
Success.
let's go through the other ingredients. What do we have? What else do we have here?
So of course, main thing is here,
Okay.
the eggs, right? And then of course the rice steamed already. And then we're gonna use the chicken, the onion, mushroom, going to the rice.
Okay.
And this is for the decoration, parsley.
Okay.
And I'm gonna use the butter and salt and pepper. And then today I'm gonna use the avocado oil.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah, and also demi-glaze sauces are in the heating now. So this one, if you want to make an original demi-glaze sauce, you can make it, but it's gonna take a little long process. So you can do instant one, pre-made one, or come with a powder one. You can use it.
Okay.
Or just a simple, you can use ketchup instead, the demi-glaze sauce.
All right.
Okay. Okay, let's start it. chicken. The salt and pepper. Onion. Mushroom. First, now I'm going to add to the butter. And rice. Salt and pepper. And a little bit of demi-glaze sauce here. Like that. Okay, and I'm gonna try a little bit, taste a little bit. A little bit more salt. Okay. Then I'm gonna use this one.
Okay.
If you want to, you can put in the edamame or something. You can add the green.
Okay.
And more color, nicer, right? Like that. Then I'm going to. Then this one I'm going to keep like this for a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. Almost I fell. I'm gonna use 5 eggs today. Five eggs today. I'm gonna use only salt here.
So do you put any oil in the egg or anything to make it more
No,
smooth?
this time I just only salt. Of course, if you don't add salt and pepper, right? And also you want to put something in it.
Some people put, like, sometimes when I do scrambled eggs, I put a little oil in the egg, and I mix it up, and that way it's a little smoother.
Yeah, that's why you can make your own style.
Yeah.
Okay, this is not the only one.
Sure.
Right. So yeah, of course you can change it, or you can modify, create your own. Of course. Temperature is very important.
So what heat do you want? Hot, medium?
Yeah, it's kind of medium to hot. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, supposed to be not too much.
Wow. Look at this. Hold on. Oh man. Okay, go. Oh my God, you did it, Hiro.
Yeah, but not so perfect.
Not so perfect, but it looks perfect.
Maybe next one is better, you know. Of course, right?
Wow.
Okay. Okay. Then sauce.
Wow. Let's take a look.
Okay, that's it.
Oh man. First try. Excellent.
Maybe next time more better.
Okay.
Supposed to be more softer inside. Everything come out.
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
But it's okay.
Looks good, Hiro. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for being here. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yes, and we'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. First tasting of 2020.
2020.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready for today. I didn't eat breakfast.
Neither did I.
Right?
I thought we were going to eat something before filming, but this is delicious looking. Okay, Ozan, let's do it. Enjoy.
These parts. Rice and this. Yeah. Okay.
And there's not a place in Miami you can get this, right?
I haven't seen yet.
I haven't
but
seen it, right?
Somebody maybe do it, but maybe I just don't know. But,
This is such a basic, simple dish in Japan that you can get, but it's so delicious.
Good.
Okay.
Actually, rice start steaming the egg, you know.
Yeah.
We should eat more faster.
Take a look at this.
Good?
Wow, that's so good. This dish, so simple, so delicious. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like just hearty soul food from Japan. And the demi-glace sauce, I really like that too, Hiro. It's like a beef flavored demi-glace. Demi-glace.
Yeah, that they are actually using for.
Yeah, right? Just take a look at this. Man, you guys got to try this at home. Oh, man.
You can modify, of course. I'm going to say it again, but if you don't want a chicken, I mean the chicken, you can use a beef or shrimp or whatever, you know. And demi-glaze, if you don't get it, but you can use a ketchup.
Yeah.
So
This is amazing. So good.
good.
Just look at it. You know, another part of this rice. Hiro just steamed this white rice for the fried rice just minutes before he actually cooked it here. A lot of people say at home you can't do it. This is actually a great way to make fried rice. Try it. You have to use the right amount of water so it doesn't become so lumpy. But fried rice with this fresh steamed sushi rice, another great idea and the best.
Good. All right.
That's so good. All right, guys. Thank you again for being here.
See you next time.
All right.